Let's see how a relay can be interfaced with 8051. So at first, what a relay is. Relay is an electrically controllable switch widely used in industries and automobiles. So it allows the isolation of two separate sessions of a system which works on two different voltages. So if in one section works on plus 5 volt and another session works on 120 volt, and if you want to connect them without direct connection, you can isolate it and keep the connection through the device relay. Okay, the relay which we used here is electromechanical relay. An electromechanical relay consists of three parts. One is a spring and one is a coil and spring and contact. Spring is not visible in the picture. Okay, so here a digital plus 5 volt on the left side can control a 12 volt motor on the right side without any physical contact between them. Okay, so when the current flows through the coil, a magnetic field is created around the coil which causes the armature to be attracted to the coil. So the armature's contact act like a switch and closes or opens the circuit. So when the coil is not energized, the spring pulls the armature to its normal state of open or closed. Why it is open or closed? Because relays are available as normally closed and normally open. So in normally closed, the system will be in a normally closed form when it is not energized, and in normally open, the system will be open or the relay will be open when there is no power, when it is not energized. Okay, so when the coil is not energized, the spring pulls the armature to its normal state of open or closed. And there is a minimum voltage needed for this coil to get energized. That voltage is called pull-in voltage. Pull-in voltage. And here we use a digital system or microcontroller. The microcontroller pin, it lacks sufficient current to drive the relay. So while the relay's coil usually need around 10 milliampere current to be energized, so the microcontroller's pin can provide a maximum of 1 to 2 milliampere current. So for this reason, we place a driver. So we have a driver here. This is normally a power transistor between the microcontroller and the relay. So the driver which we selected here is ULN2803. Okay, this is a power transistor which provides the energy or which gives the current needed for the relay to work. Let's see how we can write the code. Okay, now let's check how the assembly code works to interface relay with 8051. We know the device is connected at P1.0, the port 1 zeroth pin. Okay, it is connected in the port 1 zeroth pin of 8051. So what we need to do is, we just want to check the working of relay. So for that, I have connected a light over here. You can see from the 14th pin I have connected a light. It can be LED or bulb or anything. I have connected it there. So I will turn this light for some time and then we'll turn off the light for some time. Again, it's like blinking a light. Okay, so here for that, first I gave a high to P1.0. So set B P1.0. So now the value in P1.0 is high, that is 1. And then I've given the value 55H in the register R5. Then calling the delay. So why is this delay? I want to keep that light on for some time. Okay, so for that time I'm calling the delay. So if you have a plan to turn on that for 1 second or 2 seconds, then convert your time to hexadecimal number and then feed that value to your registers. Okay, if you don't have any plan, just give some values to keep the delay. So here I just turned on P1.0 and then move a value 55 to register R5 and I call that delay. So let's guess, okay, after that delay what will happen? So it is on for some time, like I've called a delay, it will be on for some time. Then I need I want that light to turn off for some time, maybe the same delay. So I cleared P1.0. So at first it was 1 and when I use the code CLR P1.0, 1 become 0. So now the pin is going to be 0. So it is 1 and here it is 0. Again, I move the same value, move R5 comma hash 55 and I do call the same delay. Okay, and then repeat the process. So I just want to tell that okay, this 8051 can be connected to any system. It can be a light or it can be a buzzer or whatever it is. I can connect it through a relay with the help of a driver. Okay. So I chose the pin P1.0 and then I just chose one register. It can be R1 to R7, any registers. Gave some value and called a delay. Cleared the pin, and at that time the pin is 0, and then again calling the delay. So for that time it will be off, and then repeat the process. This is the process. So what is happening? The delay. In delay I have another two registers R4 and R3. I fed the value FF to R4 and FF to R3 also. Why I gave some values? Just to keep that delay. For that for the loop to continue these many times, it takes some time. So that is how I am providing the delay here. I am not using any timer. I am just using the registers and giving the delay. So what will happen? I have two labels here, H1, H2, H3. In first line, the FF is fed to R4. The FF is again fed to R3. Then decrement and jump if not 0, R3, S3. So it will jump here itself. So what is happening? So from the time the count comes from FF to 0, the control will be here only. Okay, the same instruction will execute FF times. Then it comes to next line, again checking whether R4 is 0. No, R4 is not 0. So what will it do? Again it jumps to move R3, FF, and these steps repeat again how many times? FF times. In the third, once it becomes 0, it comes to the next step, DJNZ R5, H1. Again it checks whether R5 is 0. No, R5 is 55. So this loop will repeat 55 times. So this will stay for FF times. This R4, H2, this loop will repeat FF times, and here R5, this loop will repeat 55 times. Okay, and then return. You know the command return we use to jump from the subroutine to the main program. So when the return comes here, it jumps back to this instruction. So it clear P1.0. Then again the value 55 will be moved to R5. The delay will be called. It comes to delay. Repeat the same process. So the light will keep blinking for some particular time. It will turn on for some time. It will turn off for the same time. So this is how we use a relay to work to blink LED or light, bulb using 8